welcome back to our channel. Say hello to the Instant Vortex Plus VersaZone Hot Air Fryer, the versatile kitchen essential designed to make cooking easier, healthier, and more efficient. With its spacious cooking capacity, innovative VersaZone design, and multiple smart cooking functions, you can prepare crispy fries, juicy chicken, roasted veggies, and even desserts with little to no oil. Perfect for families or anyone who loves quick, delicious meals with less mess. More than an air fryer, Instant Vortex Plus VersaZone Hot Air Fryer, 8.5 liters, digital health stove has 8 functions in one: baking, roasting, grilling, reheating, air boiling or drying, SyncCook and SyncFinish. Cook an entire family meal in one 8.5-liter basket or divide it into 2 by 4.2-liter spaces for fish and frying dishes, with separate controls for each room. Saving energy and costs. Consumes up to 80% less energy and costs compared to cooking in a conventional electric oven. Save 80% on your energy bill, reduce your energy consumption and costs by up to 80%. VersaZone Technology. The new Instant Vortex Plus VersaZone Air Fryer means endless possibilities. Use one large 8.5-liter basket to prepare a large family meal, or a large piece of meat, baking sheet, and so on. Or switch to 2 4.2-liter baskets to prepare 2 separate things at once. Just add the drawer divider. Cook your Friday fish and chips or a vegan and meat version of the same dish. Even Crisp Technology. Even Crisp Technology with 95% less oil. Even Crisp Technology ensures crisp, tender baking without all the oil and calories. SyncCook and SyncFinish. SyncCook cook in both baskets simultaneously with the same program and setting. SyncFinish cook in both baskets at once, with different programs and settings for each basket, but finish at the same time. Easy to use, the integrated, intuitive display informs you about each cooking step and reminds you of the preparation. Its easy grip handles make transferring from cooker to oven a breeze. With 8 advanced safety features, including automatic pressure and temperature control, safety locking lid, and overheat protection, you can cook with confidence every time. Easy cleaning, dishwasher safe, with non-stick coating, cooking insert and basket divider. It comes with a food-grade stainless steel inner pot with a flat bottom that's dishwasher safe. The fingerprint. The Instant Vortex Plus VersaZone Hot Air Fryer isn't just an air fryer, it's a complete mealtime solution. If you want an appliance that can keep up with your busy lifestyle while delivering consistently great results, this air fryer is a smart choice for any kitchen. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.